What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Nairee and I am an athlete, a spin instructor, and a fitness content creator. I'm about to hit a nasty leg day, and there are a few things that I like to do before actually going to the gym. And so I thought, why not just bring you guys along with me? A better pre-routine results in a better lift, so let's just get right into it. Before I get into supplements and snacks, let's chat about what I do prior to all of that to get myself ready to go to the gym. I think we can all agree there is no better motivation to work out than a cute gym fit, especially on those days where you feel least motivated. Pick out a cute fit and get after it. If you're looking for a little bit of inspiration, make sure to check out my Instagram. Not only do I post a ton of workouts, I also post a ton of my workout outfits, along with discount and support codes and shoppable links. My favorite activewear brands that you'll see me wearing pretty much all of the time are Honor Active, Crop Shop Boutique, Muscle Republic, and then particularly on leg days, Define. You can use my code Nairee for a sneaky little discount, and if you do shop using that code or any of my other codes, you can just send me your order confirmation and you'll be automatically entered into a monthly giveaway where you can win $100 towards your favorite brand. As for hair and makeup, it completely depends on the day. I have really oily skin, and so I already struggle with clogged pores and sebum overproduction, so I don't really wear a ton of makeup to begin with. If I do wear any makeup, it's just a little bit of blush and a little bit of bronzer. In the social media space, people can get a lot of flack for caring about their appearance at the gym, and in my opinion, it just doesn't really matter at all. You do you, that's all I gotta say. For my hair, it completely depends on my wash cycle. Since I only wash my hair once a week, I am a slick back queen, so for the majority of the week, my hair is pulled back. Because of this, I do like to give at least the bottom half of my hair a little bit of rest. So sometimes I will go to the gym with my hair like this, but honestly, most of the time it gets clipped up or pulled back into a ponytail halfway through the workout. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Next up is our pre-workout cocktail. I actually don't drink, but I do love myself a good pre-workout mocktail, especially on a leg day. For my pre-workout, I like to use OxyShred by EHP Labs. OxyShred is a thermogenic fat burner, which means that it stimulates your body's fat receptor cells and helps boost your metabolism. Personally though, I just like to use it for a natural source of energy. It contains a full spectrum of B vitamins, which help supports your energy levels. Unlike other pre-workouts, OxyShred doesn't contain beta-alanine, which is the ingredient that gives you the jitters and the itchy face. There are no heavy stimulants, and so for someone that's quite sensitive, this is my holy grail. The other supplement that I use almost on a daily basis is the Beyond BCAAs and EAAs, also by EHP Labs. This is an intra-workout supplement, which means that ideally you would take it during or after your workout. BCAAs play an essential role in supporting your muscular endurance, your recovery, and they are also supposed to help delay fatigue. This peach candy rings flavor has been an absolute lifesaver because honestly, I just like adding these to my water just to make sure that I hit my daily water intake goal. Once I've prepped my pre-workout cocktail that I like to drink on the way to the gym, along with my water bottle with those BCAAs for during and after my workout, it is time to make my favorite pre-workout snack. I crafted up a variation of what I'm gonna show you today, but since discovering Courtney Snell on TikTok, I've made a couple of adjustments to perfect the ultimate pre-workout snack. To begin, we are gonna grab our favorite rice crisps. I like to use the Thin Stackers red rice and quinoa puffed rice cakes. Any rice cakes will do. I like the thin ones just because I personally like to work out fasted, but especially for my heavier lifts, I find myself lightheaded if I don't get a little bit of something in my system. These crisps are the carb base, which is our main energy source. Before a workout, you want to avoid eating a lot of heavy fats or proteins just because these are a lot more difficult for our bodies to digest. And so if our body is forced to place more energy towards digesting those foods, you're gonna have less energy to put into your workout. On top of our Rice Crisp, we are going to cut up a banana. Bananas are packed with simple carbs and potassium, which will help our muscle function during our workout. Also, on a leg day, we never skip calves And if I want to prevent any sort of cramping, you know that I'm eating a banana or two. On top of that banana, we are going to drizzle a little bit of raw, unpasteurized honey. Honey is a fast-acting energy, which makes it an incredible natural pre-workout. Lastly, we are going to top it all off with a little bit of sea salt, or Himalayan sea salt to be specific. Salt will help replenish your electrolytes and also increase blood flow, which in turn results in the best lift and the best pump. I promise you, this pre-workout snack will not only make you feel incredible while working out, it will also give you the nastiest pumpy dumpy you could ever ask for. Now that we've got our supplements and our snacks settled, it is time for me to hit my leg day. But before I clock out to clock back in, I'm gonna show you what is in my gym bag. Firstly, I thought I would show you a couple of my favorite gym bags. This one you will have seen plastered all over my Instagram. I am currently in my tote bag era. I love a good canvas neutral tote bag. Not only is there a ton of space for all of my gym essentials, it also just looks cute with every outfit. And that is a major green flag for me. This Fitness Club tote is from the White Fox Boutique collection with Sarah's Day. It's a very basic standard tote bag. There are no pockets on the inside. It truly is just one big old bag. I do have another tote bag exactly like this from Adenola, which is another really, really cute gym bag. Again, same situation. It simply is just one big tote. All of these tote bags actually have a ton of space. And since I don't really bring a lot of things to the gym, they're the perfect gym accessory for me. My newest and biggest gym bag is this tote canvas duffel bag from Muscle Republic. This again is just another accessory that works perfectly with any and all of my gym outfits. Although this bag is still pretty basic, there are a couple of things that it does feature that the others don't, like this big interior pocket along with a zipper so I can actually fully close up this duffel bag. It does feature two handles along with one cross-body strap. I really like taking this bag on leg day just because sometimes I will bring an extra pair of shoes, so it just helps me lug around a lot more stuff than usual. And often I will also take it with me during that time of the month when I don't really want my feminine hygiene products just floating around in the abyss of one of these other tote bags. Finally, let's actually talk about what I take with me to the gym. First things first, we've got a hair tie. Sometimes I will go to the gym with my hair down, and in the case that I need to put it up or my ponytail breaks, I just like to have an extra one on hand. Next up, we have my favorite deodorant. This is the natural deodorant by Native. It is paraben and aluminum free. It will sometimes leave a little bit of white residue, but it truly is the only natural deodorant that works well for me. Next up, we have got my favorite body mist, hair mist, perfume situation. This is the Brazilian Crush number 68 perfume mist by Sol de Janeiro. Unless you've been hiding under a rock, you will know what this is all about. I especially like using this after I teach class, simply because I will oftentimes run errands downtown before heading back home. And so that's just a lot more enjoyable when I smell a lot better. Like I mentioned, I like to have a snack before my workout because a lot of the times I tend to get a little bit lightheaded. And if that's ever the case, I will grab one of my That's It bars. I always like to keep a couple in my gym bag. They're from Costco and they're truly just the ingredients stated at the front of the package. This one only has organic apples and organic mangoes. That's it. Next up, we have got one of my newest additions to my gym bag. It took me a while to purchase wrist straps, but my leg days have just completely transformed. Getting these has proven to me how much more my legs can take than I thought ever possible, simply because my wrist strength and grip strength was holding me back. I was staying at a much lower weight for a lot of my leg lifts simply because my arms couldn't keep up. Now that I've gotten these wrist straps, we don't have that problem anymore, and my leg days have just completely changed the game. Some other things that I don't currently have in here because they are either in the wash or charging is a towel along with AirPods. I deal with a lot of oily skin, so I've really been enjoying taking a microfiber towel with me to the gym to help combat some of that oil production and sweat production. That way, instead of it sitting on my face and then settling in until I can wash it when I'm home, I can kind of gradually keep it in control while I work out. And then I also bring my AirPods. I am the worst for remembering to charge my AirPods, and there is nothing more heartbreaking than getting to the gym and realizing that your AirPods are dead. So they're currently charging, so we don't have that issue right now. But yes, my AirPods are also always in my gym bag. The last thing that I want to talk about with you guys is shoes. Particularly my favorite lifting and gym shoes. For a lot of leg exercises, particularly glute focused exercises, you want to be able to push through your heel. Other shoes offer much more support on the heel, which is going to make it a lot more difficult to target your glutes during your lifts. This is why I highly recommend a flat shoe for your leg days. If you've ever seen videos of people lifting without shoes on, this additional support is the reason. With a flat shoe like this, we encourage that mind to muscle connection and the engagement of our glutes through the ability to better push through our heels. There's nothing special about these guys, but I do really like them for my leg days. However, if we're talking about special shoes, these are absolutely chef's kiss. These are my New Balance 9060s in the color Sea Salt. I got these for my boyfriend as a birthday present, and I've never been much of a shoe girl, but I am quite literally obsessed with these, and I think I always will be. Truly the cutest athleisure, workout, living shoe you'll ever put your feet in and you'll ever get your hands on. Unlike my Converse, these offer an incredible amount of support, and they're actually really comfortable. I like wearing these to my upper body days, and sometimes I will even wear them on my leg days, but a lot of the time I will pack these Converse and then change into them after like my first set. Now that we've wrapped up my little pre-workout routine, I'm gonna go and hit legs. I really hope that you loved today's video. I am so excited about filming again, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.